First, so how are you? I hope you are good and doing good. I am Rambu Kumar and today I am going to discuss your CET second paper of mathematics. Okay, so let's start. The first question we have from derivative and that is also from derivative of cot inverse. Okay, so all of you know the derivative of cot inverse, which is nothing but minus 1 by 2 1 plus x square, correct? So here we have the function given as cot inverse cos 2x 1 by 2, which is nothing but we have to find the derivative of cot inverse, okay, and cos 2x and root under this is, okay. So this is the function we have given and we have to find the derivative. Now you know directly we cannot find it, so we have to apply the chain rule, correct? Now to apply the chain rule, first differentiate this particular cot inverse with respect to root cos 2x, which is nothing but 1 by 1 plus minus will come here, 1 by 1 plus cos 2x ka, okay, take this as a root and then whole square into, we have differentiation of this one cos 2x. So what is the cos 2x? Differentiation of cos 2x is nothing but this will be 1 by 2 into 1 by root under cos 2x and then into, now differentiate this cos 2x with respect to 2x, which is nothing but minus sine 2x, and now differentiate 2x with respect to x, which is 2, okay. Now you can see here this 2 and this 2 we can cancel out, this minus and this minus will give you plus. Now you know the value of this one, so this is nothing but 1 by 1 plus cos 2x, correct, because x square is there, sorry, a square is there. Now this will become 1 by cos 2x root under and then we have sine 2x, okay. So this is nothing but our f dash x, if you assume this is f of x, here we have, okay. So if this is f of x, then derivative of f of x is nothing but here we got. Now they are asking to find that derivative at x is equal to pi by 6, which means if we substitute pi by 6 here on the place of x, on the place of this x, we will get 1 by 1 plus cos pi by 3 into 1 by root under cos pi by 3 and then into sine pi by 3. Now you know the value. This is nothing but this particular whole thing equal to 1 by 2. So 1 plus 1 by 2 will give you how much? 2 by 3 into, this will give you, okay, let me write like this, otherwise this will confuse you simply. So this is nothing but 1 by 1 plus 1 by 2, okay, into 1 by root under 1 by 2, okay, and into root 3 by 2 for this one. Now this whole thing is nothing but 3 by 2 and Once this 3 by 2, if you take it to up, then this will become 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 into now this will become root under 1 by 2 is nothing but 1 by root 2, which can be written as root 2 by 1 because this is in the denominator. Now root 3 by 2 we have. Okay, so here you can see, one second. Now here we can see this this 2. Okay, this 2 and this 2 cancel out. Then we have root 2 by 3 into root 3. Now if we multiply and divide with root 3, this will become root 2 into 3 by 3 into root 3. So now 3 and 3 we can cancel out. So we can have 2 by root 3, which can be written as 2 by 3 to the power 1 by 2. Okay, and from the option you can see option A we have 2 by 3 to the power 1 by 2. Got it? So the first question answer is A. Okay, now let's move to the second question. Okay, so second question we have here as f of x is equal to tan inverse root under 1 plus sin x divided by 1 minus sin x. So the simple way of doing this question is nothing but first simplify this trigonometric function inside the square root. Okay, so 1 plus sin x divided by 1 minus sin x. This we can write as sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2 plus 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 then divided by 1 divided by sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2 minus 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. This whole thing you can write. So now in the numerator if you see, it's given a square plus b square plus 2ab, and in denominator a square plus b square minus 2ab. So this you can write as, okay, let's you can write this one as sin, yeah, cos, it's better to write cos, so cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 का whole square, and then in the numerator we can write cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 का whole square. Now you know this whole thing, if you take this square as a whole fraction, then this will become cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 divided by cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 का whole square. Just a second. This will become whole square. Now here if you divide numerator and denominator with cos x by 2, this will become 1 plus tan x by 2 divided by 1 minus tan x by 2 का whole square. And now you know this is how much, so this is equal to tan pi by 4 plus tan x by 2 divided by 1 minus tan pi by 4 tan x by 2 whole square, and this you can write it as how much? Tan pi by 4 plus x by 2 ka whole square. Got it? Now this whole function is equal to this one. Now we can write this whole function as, okay, this whole function as this f of x as f of x is equal to tan inverse tan of pi by 4 plus x by 2. And now you know this, as per the formula, tan inverse of tan x is equal to x, correct? So according to this formula, this is equal to pi by 4 plus x by 2. So now the function we have f of x equal to pi by 4 plus x by 2. So f dash x is equal to 1 by 2. Now in the question they have asked to find f dash at pi by 6, correct? But here if you see in the derivative of function f, there is no variable, correct? There is no variable, which means for all value of x, the derivative of the given function, this one remains 1 by 2, which means answer is D. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you. Okay, now let's move to the next question. Okay, so third question we have is nothing but f of x is equal to 4 x to the power 8, and f dash x is equal to nothing but 4 into 8 into 8 minus 1, which is 32 x to the power 7. Now f dash 1 by 2 equal to 32 into 1 by 2 to the power 7, right? And f dash minus 1 by 2 equal to 32 into minus 1 by 2 to the power 7, which is equal to minus 32 1 by 2 to the power 7, correct? This is 32. Okay. Now this you can see here, this whole things is equal to this one. Yes, if this is minus here, correct now? Because if you put minus here, this minus and this minus will become plus, correct now? So which means option D is correct. Got it? Okay, now let's move to the third question. Okay, for here A and D are the same option, which means some printing mistake is there in this particular question. So yeah, typing error something. Okay, so but correct answer is option D. Okay, now let's move to the fourth question. The first question we have is nothing but f of x is equal to root under x square plus 6x plus 9. So and you have to find the f dash x, correct? So here also you can apply chain rule. Now f dash x, so first differentiate this function with respect to x square plus 6x plus 9, so which is nothing but 1 by 2 into 1 by root under x square plus 6x plus 9. Okay, and then differentiation of x square plus 6x plus 9 is equal to how much? 2x plus 6. Okay, Now you know this particular thing you can write, okay, 1 by 2 into 1 by root under x plus 3 का whole square into 2 by x plus 3. Okay, so now this whole thing is 2 by x plus 3 divided by 2, and now this will come out x plus 3. So this cancel, this whole things cancel, so you will have 1 now, which means this particular derivative f dash x won't have any variable in the derivative functions, right? Which means if you put any value of x, this will give you always 1. So out of all options, option C, if you see, it's given 1 for all x belongs to R, which is correct. So option C is the correct. Which option? Option C. Okay. Now let's move to the fifth question. In this question, question number 5, you have to apply some composite function rule. Okay. So now first of all, let's find g of x. Okay. So here f of x is given to you equal to mod x minus 3. Okay, this is fine. Now g of x is nothing but f of x. So listen, this particular f of x is input for this f of x, which means we can write x minus 3 whole mod minus 3 like this. Got it? Yeah, something you can write like this also. F of mod x minus 3, then mod x minus 3 got it. So like this you can write. So now see here. So this is your g of x. In the question they have given the condition when x is greater than 10, we have to find the g dash x. Okay. Now let's say g of x is equal to mod x minus 3 mod, which is nothing but you will get a function. Okay, now consider this particular function, this one. So this is always positive when x is greater than equal to 3, correct? Which means you will have x minus 3 when x is greater than equal to 3, and you will have minus x plus 3 mod when x is less than 3. Okay, now next things. In the question they have given here x greater than 10, means now we can neglect this particular condition and consider this one. So for this one we will have x minus 6, okay, for x greater than 3. Now this particular function x minus 6 give you plus x minus 6 when x is greater than equal to 6. Am I right? Yes. Which means here we can write this is nothing but x minus 6 when x greater than equal to 6. Now this will give minus x plus 6 when x less than 6. Got it? Now you know this is our condition is given here greater than x greater than 10, which means this is the our condition we have. Which condition? The first condition. So from here you can see g of x is equal to x minus 6 for x greater than 10, means g dash x equal to nothing but 1. Correct. So here we have the option. Question number 5 is nothing but this derivative for x greater than 10 is nothing but 1. Okay. Okay. Now let's move to the next question. Okay. Now next question we have question number 6 given as d to the power 20 dx to the power 20 2 cos x cos 3x. Okay. Now listen. All of you know the formula cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. Correct, no? Which is nothing but cos a minus b. So this will give you basically, if you simplify cos a cos b minus sin a sin b, and here this will give you cos a cos b plus sin a sin b, and sin will get cancelled, so you will have cos x. So 2 cos a cos b. Got it? So if you differentiate this one, you will have 2 cos, first write this one, cos 3 is nothing but cos of 4x plus cos of 2x. Got it? So you can consider this one as a, this one as b. Anything you can consider, answer will be the same. Okay. Now all of you know derivative of cos x is sin x. Now derivative of sin x, this minus sin x, is nothing but minus cos x. Now derivative of minus cos x is nothing but minus of sin x. Okay. So this is the first derivative, this is the second derivative, this is the third derivative. Okay. So third derivative is how much? Sin x. And now fourth derivative is equal to cos x, which means this particular function cos derivative is always equal after fourth derivative. Got it? So for this one also cos 2x d to the power 4 dx 2x to the power 4 is nothing but cos 2x only. So fourth derivative of this one and fourth derivative of this one is the same. Got it? Which means if you go and simplify this, you will get the derivative of all these things as this one. Got it? Now let's see how this is coming. So we have the function as, okay, let me erase this one. So here you can see the derivative of this function. Now let's find this. So this one we can write dx of cos 4x plus cos 2x as 4 cos 1 second, not 4, 4 minus sine 4x minus 2 sine 2x. Now second derivative of this one, this function is nothing but if let's say this is f of x, so this is f dash x. Now this we assume f double dash, this will become 4 into 4 minus cos 4x, 2 into 2, minus is already there, cos 2x, and same way it will go, and we will keep multiplying it 2 to 2. So how many times this 2 will come? 20 times. How many times this 4 will come? 20 times. So this will become 4 to the power 20, and now I told you this will repeat after fourth derivative, which means here we have to find 20th derivative. So this will become, how much this will become? This will become plus cos 4x. Got it? So this means here we can write cos 4x plus 2 to the power 20 cos 2x. If you take 2 to the power 20 common, so this will become 2 to the power 20 cos 4x plus cos 2x. Okay, because this 20 for 2 to the power 20 can be written as 2 to the power 20 something like this you can write. 1 second. This particular thing you can write 2 to the power 2 to the power 20, which is nothing but 2 to the power 20 to the power 2. So 1 to the power 20 came out, so this is 2 to the power 20. Now here option C, this is written here, so this is here and this is here, so this is here. So option B is the correct option. Okay. Now move to the next question. Question number 9, as f of x to the power 5 is equal to 5x cube, and we have to find f dash x. So to get this one, first we have to find f of x. Now if we write y equal to x to the power 5, then x is nothing but y to the power 1 by 5. Got it? So which means if we can write f of x, okay na, as not f of x, f of y as 5, and then x is equal to 1 by 3, so this will become 5 1 by 5 into 3, so this will become how much? 5 y to the power 3 by 5. Now exchange this y with x, so we have f of x is equal to 3 x to the power 3 by 5. Now f dash x equal to 5 into 3 by 5 into x to the power 3 by 5 minus 1. So this is nothing but 5 get cancelled. 3 into 1 by x to the power 2 by 5, which is nothing but 3 by, correct na? Yes, correct. So this is nothing but x to the power 5. Is there any option we have? Okay, no. This is, here we have x square. So option C, correct? Next question we have is question number 10. So now they have asked to find f dash 0. So first of all, this function, given function, we can write f of x is equal to 1 by 2 g of x plus g minus x, and then plus 2 into h of x plus h of minus x. Okay, like this we can write. Now f dash x is nothing but 1 by 2 g dash x plus g dash minus x into minus 1 plus 2 into h of x, means h dash x plus h dash minus x into minus 1. Okay, which means if you put f of 0, f dash 0, which means this will become g of 0 minus g of 0 plus 2 into h dash of 0 dash here minus h dash of 0. Okay, so this cancel, this cancel means 0 0. So 0 into 0 into 0, which means answer is B. Okay. Question number 7 and 8 I missed in between. So here question number 7 let's solve. This is also based on the derivative only. So here first differentiate this one, this particular equation. So this will be nothing but 2y dy by dx, which is equal to 2ax plus b. Okay, now do the second derivative, find the second derivative, this one. So this will be nothing but 2 dy by dx into dy by dx. So derivative of this one, y is this one, and this will remain as it is. Now plus 2y d square y by dx square, which is equal to 2a. Now you can see here 2 common, so cancel this out. So we have dy by dx ka whole square, which is nothing but, okay, plus is here, plus y d square y by dx square is equal to a, correct? Now we can write y d square y by dx square equal to a minus dy by dx का whole square. So dy by dx का whole square. Now this dy by dx we can derive from this one. where this part. Okay, so this is nothing but we can write dy by dx is equal to 2ax plus b divided by 2y, which means this is nothing but a minus 2ax plus b divided by 2y का whole square. Now listen, this is, here we have, this is little lengthy problem, so 1 second I will reduce the side. Okay, now here, see here, so this one so here this one we will have is y t square y divided by d x square equal to a minus dy divided by dx का whole square. Okay, now in the question they have asked y cube d square y by dx square, which means multiply both the side with y square, so this will become y cube dy square divided by dx square, it's nothing but y square a, sorry, here this is nothing but you should write 2ax plus b divided by 2y from here. Okay, so now y square and this will become minus y square into 2ax plus b का whole square divided by 4 into y square. So this y square and this y square will get cancelled out. Now let's expand this whole thing. So y square is how much? It's here. It's given in the questions. Y square is nothing but ax square plus bx plus c equal to c, correct? So which means ax square plus bx plus c into a minus 2ax plus b का whole square divided by 4. Now expand this one. So this will become, if you expand this, this will be a square x square plus bax plus ca minus, now listen, this will become 4 is a square x square plus b square plus how much? 4axb divided by 4. Now a square x square plus abx plus ca minus, now listen, if you divide in all the individual terms, this one with 4, this will become a square x square plus b square by 4, not plus, this is minus because of this minus, because of this minus, this is minus, this minus is coming here, this minus, and then minus a b x, this 4 and this 4 will cancel out. So now see, this one cancel, this one cancel, so we have ca minus b square by 4, and this is a constant term, correct? There is no variable, not x as well as not a y, which means this particular term, y cube d square y divided by dx square is equal to ca minus b square by 4, which is a constant. So from the option we can see option A is the correct constant term we will get. So this whole thing is equal to constant term. Okay, so now let's move to the next question. Okay, now in this question you can see the function we have is f of x, which is even function. So we can write even function as f of minus x is equal to f of x, which is nothing but f of x minus of minus x equal to 0. Now differentiate both the sides. So this will become f dash x and f dash x, then minus f dash minus x of minus 1 equal to 0. So this will become f dash x plus f dash minus x is equal to 0. This minus and this minus get the plus. Okay. Now they are asking to find f of e. So just replace this x with e. So we will have f dash e plus f dash of minus e equal to 0. Hence option D is the correct. Okay. So in this video we solved 10 questions. In the next video we will solve next 10 questions and then next 10 questions. So 10 10 we will solve in each video. Okay. Thank you.